BLUETTI delivers convenience to you with easy power access. Welcome to BLUETTI support. This is the AC300 solar power station. It has a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter and supports 3000 watt max AC, 2400 watt max PV recharging, and AC plus solar dual 5400 watt recharging. Open the box. You can see the AC300 power station, AC charging cable, DC charging cable, car charging cable, user manual, warranty, and QC certificate card. We also provide other accessories like 30 amp AC charging cable and 12 volt 30 amp output cables. For information about the optional D300S and subpanel, please view our previous video in our channel. The actual accessories are here. These are standard configuration, and these are optional ones. This 15 amp AC charging cable is used to connect the unit with receptacles on the wall or generator. With it, the AC300 features 1800 watts at 120 volts. This versatile DC charging cable is used for solar, car, and lead-acid battery charging. It enables the AC300 to receive 2400 watt max solar input. This is for L14-30 receptacles. You can buy it optionally. With it, an AC300 can get 3000 watt AC input with 12 amp current and 100 to 120 voltage. These two are also optional. You can connect with an XT60 port with 12 volt 30 amp output with the above, or an SPC45 port by using both of them. And this cable can connect with an Anderson port. With cutting-edge split battery module workmanship, you can expand the capacity with 1 to 4 B300 battery modules according to your needs. For information on how to connect the AC300 with B300 battery modules, please view our previous video. This is the startup button. Long press it and you can turn the AC300 on or off. It has 6 standard AC outputs, 1 TT30 port, 4 USB-A, 1 USB-C, 1 24 volt 10 amp cigarette lighter port, 1 RV port, and 2 wireless charging pads on the top. If you want to use the wireless charging pads, first tap the screen to turn DC power on and confirm, and then place your phone horizontally on one of the charging pads. On the left are the AC input port, DC input port, and communication interface to connect with another AC300 to build up a dual split phase system. On the right, 2 battery expansion ports. That's all for today. If you like our channel, please hit the subscribe button. And we have contacts below. If you have any questions, feel free to contact